when you're doing the sleeve head, if you look at the shirt, you'll see that from the underarm to the shoulder, these curves are different on the shirts. There is a concave, so the curve is going outwards and then inwards, and the same on the right side of it. The shirt goes outwards, the curve goes outside and then curves inwards. That's what we need to plot onto on your pattern. So from 0 to the armhole edge, you connect that, and you connect that on the right side as well. So you've got a left, or the back and the front of your sleeves. So there is a triangle, and that's what you're going to do, is you're going to plot that curve onto the sleeve head. So we've got that measurement earlier on, and that will give us 32.5, and we divide that into 3, which should give you 10.83, but we ignore that little 3, and we're going to mark 10.3. So from that point we mark 10.3, and then we do that in 10.3. Do the same on the front as well, 10.3 and 10.3. So you've got those. Now what we're going to do is we're going to join those dots, but the first thing you're going to do, this is the back, so label that as your back, and that's going to be your front, because the two curves are going to be slightly different. So where you've marked your first third, divide that into 2, so that would be 5 and a bit. You go in 1/2 centimetre, just 1/2 centimetre there. On that third point there, you're going to go out 2 centimetres. On your front, so you've done the back. On the front one again, where your first third is, divide that into 2 and go inwards 1 centimetre. So you can see where the two front and the back are going to be different. So I went in 1/2 centimetre there and 1 centimetre there. The same on there, we're going to do this 2 centimetres there. So I've plotted all my points. Now all you need to do is draw your curve in. Again, if you do it with a dotted line, just to make sure that you've got your curve correctly. And do the same on the front. And then go deep. So you can see where the front and the back is different, why we had to label that. That is a slightly deeper curve, and that's a shallower curve. And then all you need to do is add your 1 centimetre seam allowance around it, and that's your shirt sleeve block done.